Imagine creating professional AI videos without you paying a dime. Most people only know one free AI video generator. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you four free powerful AI video generators you can use to create stunning AI videos for free. Do not forget to hit the like button, drop a comment on the comment section, and do subscribe to the channel, right? Let's get started.
The first tool, for you to access it, you can use your browser, any device you have that has browser. Now search for Gemini Gen AI, all right? And this pops out. You click on this one, Snap Gen AI, all right? It opens up this way. This pops up, okay? You just, click on the star and take it out. This is how it looks. But first, you need to sign in. All right. Now, this particular tool gives you access to generate AI videos for free using some of the top AI video generators. We're talking about Grok, Seedance, View 3.1, all of it. Now, you need to sign in. Okay. Once you sign in, you can sign in using Google or email. All right. But I will be signing in using Google. Now, I've signed in. Okay, now immediately you sign in, you get 10 credits. These are the tools here: View 3, Goggles, Seedance, and Clink. These are the four AI video generators on this site. All right, now you can see down here the length you can generate, and there is zero credit. Okay, so first let's test it with a prompt. All right, I've head back to ChatGPT to copy. Okay, I copied with the dialog, head back here, paste it. All right, if you want to go with image generator, just click here. All right, and insert the image. If not, you can just paste it right here. All right, and click. Next thing, you scroll down properly, see generate with Grok. Now Grok is currently under generate. Try another model. You click on it, and these are all the tools. Okay, and your video start generating. Now you can use any of these AI tools. You see, you can generate once you click on any of the tools that is free. What this app does is it rotates the tool it uses. So when you click on generate, if it is prompt Grok that is free, it uses it. If Grok is not free, you can use View 3.1. If View 3.1 is not free, Clink AI can be free, or by the Seedance can be free. So these are what this particular tool does. Now I am generating, the 10 credit is still up there. Okay, I'm generating it already, and it takes time. Yeah, so this for AI tool up here, it actually rotates its generation using any of this, and this is the video it generated. All right, you can see the quality of what it generated. This is it, you get. So that is what we generated. All you just have to do is download it. Any of these four can be used at any time to generate your video. So this platform gives you free AI video generation, image to video. All right, but the other thing is the seconds is about 6 seconds. The seconds does not get to 10 for free. The next tool is TikTok. All right, still same browser. All right, you type in Symphony. Okay, this part is the first one, TikTok Symphony. Okay, you click on it. Now you need to sign in. All right, if you have not signed up before, you sign up. You can either sign up using TikTok page, business account, or you set up, okay, register TikTok business account. Okay, now this particular tool allows you to generate AI videos. The bot in it is what you can generate using this is 9 by 16. All right, now I will just key in my email and do the registration. So I'm just doing a registration. Okay, I'm just doing a registration. So once you sign in, this is how it looks. Okay, this is it. They have basic. Now you are giving 1,000 credit. Immediately you sign in. All right. Now you can do text to video, image to video, and up to 12 seconds video generation on this platform for free. All right, so let's just go with image to video. You can do generation of your video here too on the platform, but that is not needed. Let's go with image. So I'll just click on upload and click on the image I want to use. Let's just go with this image. All right, let's go with this. Then you paste it. Paste. This is my prompt and dialog. All right, then you click allow it to generate. Now it is generating already, and this is the second AI video tool you can use for your video generation for free. Just the bot in this particular platform is 9 by 16. Now this is what it generated for us. Okay, just go ahead and click on download, play it. All right, and click on download. Click on download right here and download the video. Okay, and download the video. Done. The video is downloaded already. All right, so this is the second. You keep generating, you are giving as much as 1,000. Now the next is Vibe AI. Vibes AI is an AI tool by Meta AI. Now you are allowed to generate high quality video right here. The bot on this platform is the dialogue is not working yet. There is no voice yet. All right, but every other thing it is quality AI generates you quality video generation. All right, if you're going for your content, AI content is about voiceover. You do voiceover on it or you do explanation on it. This particular tool is good. Okay, so it gives you high quality video without voice. All right, and it is completely free. All right, it is powered by Meta AI. Okay, so this is it. I'll just wait. I have an image already. Let's go with this. I'll just then this, click on add. All right, paste our prompt and start generating. Paste our prompt to start generating. Now this particular tool is very good. It is very good. The only disadvantage is it does not have voice, no dialogue. All right, now this is it. It generates you 4 video at a time. Like when you paste one prompt, you're given 4 video to choose which is the best for you, and it is completely free. Okay, so this is it. Let's wait for it to generate our videos. This is it. The 4 of them has been generated. Okay, whichever one you prefer, just go ahead and download it. Now the best of them so far is Google Flow. I know Google Flow, you've been hearing of Google Flow, but that is what majority of your content creators use for their movie series. Google Flow, yes, the free aspect of it. Now people are using it for free. When you go to your browser, phone browser or laptop, whatever device, click on Google Flow, open it up. Now, if you have not signed in, sign in, okay, and you click on new project. Now,
The
this
tool we are
particular
talking
tool, you
about,
are
guys,
allowed
is
on a daily
Oil
basis to generate up to
AI.
5
All right, you go to your browser,
video
you type in
per email a day.
dot
Every email
AI. All
you use
right.
in logging in
Now,
gets
once
5
it
videos a
opens
day.
up, you click
So
on
you
it.
know how to go about it when you want to
Okay, this
generate
is how
up
it
to
looks. I'm
50
using
videos a
my
day or
phone,
100
so I had
videos a
to
day.
zoom it
Yes,
a
you can
little
do
bit.
that. All right.
Okay,
Now,
so
once
you
you
get it
click on
says
it,
you
you
need to
input
log
the
in.
image
So
you
log in
wanted to
using your
animate
Google.
here.
Okay, once
All
you're
right.
logged in, you
Input the
have
image you want to animate
200 credits
and
immediately you log in. Not just
click on
that,
add to
each day
prompt.
you log in, you get 60 credits.
All right. You
Okay,
can generate up
on
to
a
10
daily
seconds
basis, you
video
get 60.
right
As
on
a
this
new
platform.
timer, you get
All right.
200.
Now you
All right,
click on it. Now
now
you
once you
must
log in, this
choose
is how it
click on
looks. Okay,
generate and it is
on your
generating.
right hand
Now,
side,
when
put
I
it on
generate
desktop
videos,
side,
I
so
generate
you get
videos
to
on a
see the
daily
whole thing.
basis. This is the
Put it on
platform
desktop
I
side.
use.
Okay,
This
so
is
you'll
my
be able to
best and
access
it is
every
my
other tool there.
top video
When
generator
you put
that
it
is
on
free.
desktop side, this is
All
how it
right.
looks.
The only thing is
You
for you
can
to
see it,
access it for free
just
on
take
a
your time
daily
to go
basis,
through it. It
you
does
are
so
given
many things. It
50
has
credits, which generates up to 5
animation
videos.
things you can do
All right.
on this
Each
particular
email. So
tool.
if you log
Okay,
in with
but
10
if you
emails a
look
day,
up here,
you
you
get
see
to
we
know
have
that you
200.
generate up to 50 videos a
We
day.
have 200
So
already,
click on
and
it
when you
and
log in, you
download
get
it. All right. Now I will be
260.
playing what we generate
Okay.
all the 4 videos. Watch.
Why would we interrupt the CEO over some random woman pretending to be his wife?
Exactly.
Forget calling the CEO. Security should throw her out.
How could you do this to us?
I had no other choice.
That is enough.
That is enough, Arthur. I did it to save you.